Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. It's Unky, whenever or wherever you're watching this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch today's video. Today, I just want to do a short video about two stocks that is paying dividends every single week. Yes, I said that, every single week. Leave a comment below if you know some other stocks that are paying dividends every week or every month that you really love. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you really enjoy this video and you found these two amazing stocks and you're going to invest them and put them in your portfolio. With all that out of the way, let's get into these two dividend stocks that pay every single week. But before we get into the two stocks, if you already don't know about SoFi, SoFi used to specialize in student loans and home mortgages. But it has ventured into the market with a unique pair of ETFs that are first to offer a weekly payout. So if you're looking for a better way to manage your bills, SoFi may be the answer. In the description below, I have a link you can use, and you can start creating a SoFi account, and then you can log into the app and start managing your money and managing your bills. Alright, the first weekly ETF or stock we're going to talk about that pays dividends is TGIF, and no, I'm not talking about the restaurant. SoFi first broke the weekly payout barrier in October 2020 when it introduced a bond-based weekly income ETF, TGIF. It is actively managed by Income Research and Management, a value-oriented fixed income manager with over 30 years of experience. The fund has exposure to over 100 bonds across multiple industries to help manage risk. In order to reduce interest rate risk, the portfolio targets a duration of less than 3 years as opposed to a longer duration bonds. The fund is expected to have an effective duration of short to intermediate term, but when it comes to the right down to it, the fund managers pretty much have free range in the terms of security selection according to the ETF.com. The next weekly paying dividend stock is WKLY. The difference between this and TGIF is it's passively managed fund that will track SoFi Sustainable Dividend Index, which the company says is made up of large and mid-cap companies in both the US and developed international markets that meet the robust set of essential dividend filters. The key word is sustainable. Sustainability or sustainable. To meet that criteria, each holding must have paid regular dividends over the last 12 months and be forecasted to pay dividends over the next 12 months as well. And those dividends must be at least 90% of the annual dividends paid out both 1 and 5 years ago. The portfolio for this ETF contains 300 stocks, names like JP Morgan Chase, Nestle, Procter & Gamble, and that's just a few to name the many. There's one really good, nice kicker for this. In order to reduce the potential tax burden for its shareholders, SoFi intends to pay out all of its distributions in cash from dividends to avoid less favorable capital gains taxes.